So powers of tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. We start with case 1, wherein you have integrals of the form tangent to the mu du or cotangent to the mu du, where m is a positive odd integer. Say tangent cube, cotangent cube, tangent raised to 5, and so on and so forth. So what is the rule here? You shall factor tangent squared u. Or in the case of a power of cotangent, you factor cotangent squared u. And apply the identity 1 plus tangent squared u is equal to secant squared u, or 1 plus cotangent squared u equal to cosecant squared u. So we need to produce the terms secant squared u or cosecant squared u, because we know that secant squared u is the derivative of tangent. So if your integrand involves a power of tangent and it appears with secant squared, you can easily apply the power formula. So that is the rationale. We factor tangent squared and replace it by secant squared minus 1. So tangent squared u will be transformed to secant squared u minus 1. And this one, cotangent squared u, will become cosecant squared u minus 1. So let us apply that in evaluating the integral of tangent cube for theta d theta. So we shall factor tangent squared from tangent cube. We write tangent for theta, tangent squared for theta d theta. And replace tangent squared by secant squared for theta minus 1. So tangent for theta, secant squared for theta minus 1 d theta. We distribute and split into two. Okay, we split into two integral. That will be the integral of tangent for theta, secant squared theta d theta, minus the integral of tangent for theta d theta. Here, my u is tangent for theta, tangent for theta. Then du is 4 secant squared for theta d theta. There. What is the missing constant? 4. You write 4, you write 1/4. Simple as that. You need not rewrite that as u and then du over 4, whatever. So that will be 1/4. And then the integral of u du will be u squared over 2. But your u is tangent, so tangent squared all over 2. Minus, how about this one? It's no longer a power, tangent for theta. So it takes the form tangent u. Your u is for theta. U is for theta. What is your du? 4 d theta. What is the missing constant? 4. You write 1/4. So, negative 1/4. And tangent u du is ln of absolute value of secant for theta plus c. So that is 1/8 tangent squared for theta minus 1/4 ln of secant for theta plus c.